So the next one, I want to get maybe total price based on let's say total price based on fuel type. Which one can we still use? Let's check the car data. Okay, the car data. So we have car name. Okay, we can check maybe based on we cannot use car name. Okay, let's use a fuel type. Okay, let's see this transmission. So this transmission we have manual and automatic. Okay, so we can check based on transmission. Okay, let's move. If we move transmission to this place, so grand total, so manual. So in 2005 we have manual. Okay. Okay, let's put this. So now this is automatic manual. Okay, so this is the total price based on automatic, and this is total price based on manual. Okay, now okay. Now okay, let's do it like this. Instead of adding this transmission to the column, so let's use it as filter. Okay, so let's add transmission to filter. Okay, now I want to check based on manual. Okay, so click OK. So this is a total selling price based on what? Manual. Okay, so which is 102. That is 1026, right? So we can use that. Let's copy this. So total selling price. Total selling price. Okay. By manual, right? Okay. By manual. So okay, I want to reduce this, but this is too. Okay, we can increase this. Okay, then increase the size, then centralize it. We can find a way, maybe you can just remove this one. So because the box must not be too much longer than other. Okay, now, so this one, so what is the price? So that is okay, 1000. So let's put a comma. Okay, so copy it. So paste it here. Okay, so you can create another one for automatic. So just highlight all, Control C, Control V. Okay, drag it. So this is automatic. You know, we are using pivot table to control our values, to check the total values, even if you want to create pivot charts. So you use pivot table to do it, right? So that to get our values now. So to know the automatic, so click on automatic, okay. So that is what 376.80. Okay, automatic. So that means people buy manual car, okay, compared to automatic. So because the price of automatic is lesser than that of manual. Okay, so yeah. So for this one, okay, let's have it in dollar. So this one is what? 376.80. 376.80. Okay. So these are primary KPI. So it depends on what the organization wants. Are you getting it? Because you are going to have objective of before you start creating your dashboard. So you are going to have the list of objectives. What are you intend to visualize? Okay. So you have let's so you have okay, you want to find the total number of total value of a particular product, and then you want to find the total sales. So you have those things on ground to put it maybe on white paper, or you have it on maybe in MS Word. Okay, so you have those ones before you start creating your dashboard. So after hello. So after you have that, then you need to have a list of relationship that you want to create. Like now, I want to find the sales per year. Okay, so you want to find the relationship maybe based on year, and maybe you want to find the relationship between the sales and the transmission. I'm getting it. You want to find the relationship between the sales and fuel type. So it depends on what a stakeholder want to know about the data. Okay. So when you have the primary KPI now, so the next one is to create graph, to have chart to represent your relationship. So you can just use a line to demarcate it. So you just have a line here. Okay, so you press shift key. So to have it is a straight line. Are you getting it? So then you can now insert another shape. So maybe 1 year. Okay. So one. Okay. So you can copy this, then paste it. So have another. So now this is where you are going to insert your pie chart, your histogram, bar chart, donut, and other charts that you want to use. Okay. So go back to the pivot table. negative. So if I want to represent sum of selling price based on year, okay, as we have it here, can you see total selling price per year? Okay, so we go back to the pivot table. So you now click on pivot chart. So pivot chart, okay. This is pivot chart, okay. So we want to know total sum of selling price, a present price. Select this, okay. We want to represent the selling price and year based on using chart, okay. So you really have okay. Let the transmission. Okay. So you know we are using filter. Okay. So here, okay, we are not, we don't need this. So we need to remove this. We need to remove present. So we want to plot. You right click. Are you getting it? Okay. So sum of selling price, even if you want to remove transmission, so to filter, so you can remove it, okay, so that we have only year and what and selling price, okay. So you have a total selling price. So okay, it has affected it. Okay, no problem. So although we have used what we need. So total selling price. Okay, total selling price. So copy this and go to your dashboard. So paste it here. No, we need to maybe to use just to shape so that I'll be able to show our charts very well. Okay. So okay, so this is first one. Then total selling price. This is total selling price. Okay, so it means we have a lot of shares in 2015. Are you getting it? More than others. So that is how you are going to report your dashboard when you want to do the report. Because after this, the next one is to do the report. But maybe in form of PowerPoint to analyze your insight, okay, to explain your insight to the stakeholder. So after this one, so okay, we want to show, the one we have at the top is the overall total. Okay, overall total, this is selling price for all the year that we did the transaction. But now we want to show them yearly, year by year, so that to know when do we have more sales. Are you getting me? So then we need to find the reason why we have more sales in that year. So that is what our data analysts want to want to do to identify the pattern, okay, in your data. So after that, then you come up with insights so that the stakeholder will use that to take decision. Are you getting that okay in 2015 that we have more seats. So what caused it? So 2003 and 2004, 2007. So we have a little seats. So why do we have a little seats then? So that maybe there was a crisis or there was maybe so you need to find out the reason you have a little sales in that year, so that they will use that information to take the decision for the next year, so that they will have can you see in 2018 they also have what a little sales. Can you see? So that means 2019 they need to find solution to what happened to 2018 to have a little sales here. So those are the things that you need to come up with as a data analyst. Now, then our present price. So we need to create. So let's remove this. Okay. So move your present price to the value again. Okay. Then you go to the pivot chart, insert pivot chart. Okay. So click on this, double click it. So we don't need selling price. Right click it and remove it. Can you see that? So then the next thing is name this one total present price. Okay. So copy it and put it here. So you can reduce it. So we may need to reduce this one. Okay, let's increase this. Okay. And this line. Okay. So can you see that? So Mr. Kunle, please mute yourself.
Oh.
Now, after this one, the next one is let's check our dashboard. So okay, although we use another chart, I use another chart in present price. So you can change the dimension of your chart. So instead of using the same column chart, yeah, so you can use another chart. So by changing the format. Okay. Change the chart type. You can use this. This is, you can use pie chart. Okay, let's use pie chart. So copy it. So paste. So that means we delete this and put pie chart here. Okay. So Actually, there are some other things that you can add to that chart. So as we have it here, so you can add data label to it, but to show the percentage. Okay. But if we had a power data label, so we may not be able to see other. Okay. Or we can do, okay, let's see these settings. Um, effects, size. Okay. Properties. Okay. I think it's okay like that. Instead of using, okay. So let's remove the data label. So we may use data label if we have if we want to show little information. Like now, this year we have a lot of years here. So maybe we want to show maybe just 5 years. So what we are going to have in that pie chart. I throw up to this. So maybe we have just maybe 5 portions. So we'll be able to see all the values for each portion. You get that? But in a situation where we have a lot of portions that we want to show, so using data value may not be okay there, because all those ones that have bigger portions will be able to see their values, but the tiny one, so it may be difficult to see that. But you can check that by putting mouse on each portion. Are you getting it? So when you place mouse on each of the portions, so you'll be able to see their percentage. So after this one, so you can have another chart. So let's create another one. Insert shape. Okay. So turn it to transparent. Okay. So then Control C, Control V. Now, so this one, okay, so we can, okay, let's check for total for the kilometer per hour. So go back to sheet 2. So delete this one. Okay, so insert kilometer per hour. Okay, so now pivot charts, insert pivot charts. So you can check other chart. So this is line chart. Okay, so this line used to display the pattern in your data set. Can you see? So it's keep increasing here. So when it's reached here, so in year 2015, so it comes down. So that is okay for maybe it's using that is for okay, that kilometer, okay, the present price. So we need to remove present price here. So double click it. Then remove the present price. We want to show only driving kilometer per hour. Okay, so okay, let's copy this to our dashboard. Okay, so you can improve it. So now, after this one, so what else do you want to check? Okay, maybe fuel type. Okay, fuel type. Well, we can use another chart for that. Change the chart type. Fuel chart. Okay, remove the. Okay, this is for fuel type. Okay, open here. So can you see that? So this is our dashboard. Okay, let's preview it. Okay. So we need to change the layout. So we need to change the layout. A4, then the layout should be landscape, right? All right. Okay. So page layout. To change the orientation to landscape. Landscape. So go back, print preview. Um, not cover all. Okay. Okay. So we can reduce it. So we can reduce the size. Okay, so that though if you want to present it, you can present it like this. Okay, you can present it like this. So so you just need to explain each individual item we have. So this is a total sales, total selling price, total present price, total kilometer per hour, total price by manual, total price by automatic. Then this one is individual sales by year. Are you getting it? So individual sales by year, individual sales present price by year. This is a count of fuel type. Okay. So if you look at this and this, they look alike. So because okay, this is for fuel type. Okay, this is also for fuel type. Okay. Huh? Okay. But it's fuel type. We have not done it for transmission. Okay. So if let's remove field type. Okay, it is the same thing. So we have the same, this is count of transmission. Okay, okay. So instead of having transmission, so let's remove transmission. So we need field type. Okay, it's keep changing. Okay, so that is how to create dashboard, Microsoft Excel. So what I'm going to do, so I will give you a data sets, okay? So you will come up with your own dashboard, okay? So I may give you different data sets to use. So the next thing now is how to write a report, okay, for our dashboard to present to stakeholder. Because when you have your dashboard like this, so you need to write a report on it, maybe to send to the stakeholder or the director. Okay, that's okay. This is what you got from your analysis. Okay, so you explain individual values. So an individual chart, what they mean. Okay, so we explain it in your report. So this is a dashboard. Then after the dashboard, you need a report. So now we explain that next class. So after this one, so I will give you a project to do. So we are going to present it. So what you got from your analysis, we will use a dashboard to visualize the analysis, okay, and explain to you your findings, okay. So, do you have any question? So, if not, so we stop here for today. So next class, so I will explain how to do a report on dashboard. Okay, so that will be the end of Microsoft Excel. So then we move to another course, which is SQL. So thank you so much. Uh, thank you.